People, how we doing? You like that? Imagine if my hair was that short. I probably could kill it though. With a bowl cut going all the way around. Anywho, so I went to the store today because I finally went on YouTube and looked up how to do my own faux locks. So I'm gonna do it. I did my own box braids, so now I'm gonna do my own faux locks. Cause that's what I've been trying to do for like the last 2 months or more. Watch the video. So I got from the video, I'll probably link that video below. I got these free tress braiding hair. These two. What color is this? 27. And then I got the Cuban twist hair, also in the color 27. So that's what they look like. 2 backs of each. I may or may not need more. We'll see. I was originally, because I saw another video where you can buy the twist already twisted and just crochet them in, and there's a way to like hide your hair inside of it, and that looked like an easier way than for me to crochet the hair in. Well, braid the hair first, crochet the hair in, and then wrap it around. But at the hair store they didn't have the twist that I wanted. Like they didn't have the color and they didn't have the size, so I have to do the wraparound way. And I'm gonna start that now. First, I'm going to prep my hair and then start doing plaits all over my head, which is like single braids everywhere. And then I'll come back when I'm done with that, and then I'll show you how I crochet the hair in and then do one wraparound one and go from there. All right, I'll see you in. I'm showing you how far I got, and this is how far I got. Everything, the background noise was too loud, so I decided to do a voiceover here. And I'm just telling you that I'm about to crochet the good hair in. I don't really like to call it good hair, but it's the wavy hair. And taking that, grabbing the crochet needle, putting the hair, going in with the crochet first, then putting the hair through the loop, latching that loop, and then pulling the hair through. Once you get that hair on the other side, just pull it, and you want one side to be pretty much a lot longer because that's the hair that the other hair is going to wrap around. And that's why I'm grabbing the Cuban hair. I'm going to do the same thing we did with the other hair. Literally take the latch, go in, put the hair in there, loop it through, let it go, and we are going to leave the little end there and then grab the whole section, and then we're going to grab the long piece of the Cuban hair and just start wrapping. First, you want to wrap at the top and like secure it right there, and then as you're doing the wrapping around, each time you wrap around, you want to go over the last piece you just wrapped around, if that makes any sense, a little bit, so that it's secure. And you want to wrap it tight, but not too tight, so that you're not causing too much tension at your scalp. And just speeding through that. Yep, speeding through that, wrapping it. And then once you get to the end and you have the very end of it, you're gonna wrap upwards, so that you're gonna take the nail glue and nail the last little piece of it. I mean, not nail it. You're gonna glue the last little piece down and let it dry. So that's all secure. And then I put a clip on there just so that it dries in place and my finger's not holding it, because who wants nail glue on their fingers, right? All right, and that is the lock. As you can see, pretty easy. And then you have the hair left over that I'm gonna cut off later. As you can see, I'm done. So let's do a full spin around so you can see. But you see how like long these are? These pieces are like long, so I'm gonna start cutting them. And I have these last two pieces that were, the glue was drying. So I'm gonna take those clips off. Boom. English changed for the last time, promise. So I'm cutting so these pieces are not so long. These forward. I think I cut that one way too much. This is it, and this is probably gonna last 2 days, 2-3 days. $40 worth, and done by Desiree, crafted by Minerva. Come on. Anyways, let me know what you want to see next. Over now.